Welcome to online classes. This is your first video and we will start with your first lesson, working with tables and mail merge in MS Word. It means we will learn how to create tables in Microsoft Word. We'll learn about what table is, how to create a table, how to enter data and modify a table, splitting, merging, etc. Now, what is table? MS Word offers a flexible feature of presenting information in tabular form. It is very useful in organizing and representing the data in an effective way. It is very robust. When you're using something, you're writing a letter, you can also include a table in your document. It looks really neat and robust, presentable manner. Now, what is a table? Table is a method of writing data in rows and columns. As you see here, this is a table. It is related to rectangular or square cells. It can be rectangular or square cells. What is a cell? A cell is where a row and column meets. Horizontal line of a table is called a row. This way is a row, and when you have this line, this is called a column. An intersection of rows and column is called cell. Now, creating a table. How to create a table in Microsoft Word? There are many ways, but the simplest ways is this. You go to your Word file, insert table. Now drag your cursor to the number of rows and columns you want and click OK. Your book has devised a pictorial representation, step-by-step process. Do follow it and create your own tables. And second, insert table option. Insert table. Number of columns you can decide, number of row you can decide, the width should be automatic or not, content should be automatically fitted to the cells or not. It's upon to the user. Then click OK. Same. See, same steps. Now you have different options as well. Table tools. You can modify and design table by yourself. Here, imagine this is my table and I can choose a various design here. Something like this I can choose. Then layout, what kind of grids I want, properties I want. Split cell, we'll talk about these. And there is a third way of drawing a table. Insert table, draw table. Now you can drag. Consider this is a table I want to draw. This length only. Correct? You can change the pencil color. You can drag a line here. A row, you want number of columns here, whatever you want possible. This is the third way of inserting table. Same steps, entering data. Now place the insertion point in the table cell, click what you want to insert, where you want to insert, and then click on the fields. You want to enter names, subjects and their numbers. Modifying a table. How can you modify, how can you enhance your table? After entering the data in table, we can make changes in data as needed. We can insert more rows, more columns or cells, or a new table if we want more. Inserting columns in a table. Now, I've said it before, home, select a table, layout, insert, where you want to insert. Look, same. You want to insert a row, below or left, above or below, new column, new row. Same way, you can add it by right click as well. Insert, same options as above here. You can modify it both ways. Inserting rows in a table, same process. Inserting a cell, if you want to insert a specific cell here, insert, delete, cell alignment, anything that you want. Okay. Then deleting a column. If you want to delete something, suppose I want to delete this column here. Click on delete columns, columns row, etc. Delete table. There are many options. Delete columns. The whole column has been removed. Deleting rows and tables, same option. Select a row, delete. Deleting cells in a table, same process. Now what happens is, when you delete a row or a cell, what will happen to the adjacent cells or the cells below? You can choose an option here. Should they move to left? Should they move up? Should the entire row move up? Etc. Deleting a table, alignment of table, table alignment, properties, right click, or either properties here. Same process, you can go rows, columns, cell alignment, text alignment, etc. You can change everything. Splitting a cell. Here, you want to split this cell. Split cells. Number of columns, I just say 3. See, this cell has been divided into 3 more cells within a table, within a cell. Merging cells. Now we have split the cells. If I want to join these 3 cells, merge cells, you can also right click and merge the cells. Then mail merging. This is very important. Imagine that you have typed a letter and that you want to send that letter to different recipients, to different people. Say the recipients are 100. Would you be typing those 100 names, addresses over and over again on the same letter? Mail merge makes it easier. Just type a letter that you want to send and add a recipient list. You will learn about this. Data source. Data source consists of mailing list, the recipient list, the document. When you have this document, click on mailing, start mail merge. We want to go by step. Now, you go here, click on letter, and then next step. Use the current document. We want to send this document, then next. Now, do we have a new existing list already, or do we want to create a new list? Create a new list, write your names, and you can fill in the data entries, as many as 100 or more names in here. And then you can use these names in your letter. The steps will follow like this. same that we have done. Step 8, step 9, then this step. This will create your list name. They have created just 3 names. And what they've done is afterwards use existing list, that the list we have created. Write your letter, the letter that you want to send, and click where you want to add these insert merged fields, where you want to insert them. And here with this button you can add more and more in every letter. You don't have to type anything. You can print, you can share, whatever you want. With this, your first chapter is complete. If you have any questions, do let me know. Good luck.